I just hit these main roads probably about 15 minutes ago.
So if we have a snow event in, let's say it's in the middle of the night, the police department or dispatchers will give me a call and tell me that the roads are, need some salt and need plowed, and then I'll make the decision on how many guys come in, and we'll all meet in here.
So here in the Amberley Village, we have a bare pavement policy, and our intent is to keep the pavement clear so it's safe for residents to drive on during a snowstorm and thereafter.
Our trucks will hold 6 tons of salt at a time, and we'll get out and hit the main roads first, so Section Road, Ridge Road, Galbraith Road, our main priorities. And then we head for the hills, the hilly areas, and we'll hit those and then take care of the rest. But yeah, our main priority is keep the main roads clear, and we do a pretty good job of it.
This is an expensive service to provide. When residents see one of our snow and ice trucks on the street, that's about a $150,000 vehicle that's out driving our street. So it's a very expensive piece of equipment, which also necessitates that we have skilled drivers behind the wheels of each of those vehicles.
When it does melt, it's melting down the curb, and it's not melting across the street causing a slip spot.
There's also the expense of the salt that we put down. The village spends about $80,000 to $100,000 a year on salt supplies and other treatment systems.
Honestly, it's always easier for us if your cars are in your driveway and your cans are in your driveway. If it's garbage day, at least have them in your driveway, or in your yard, not in the street or in the curbs. When we clean it up, we like to make sure that the catch basins are clear, so when it does finally melt, the water can run down the curbs into the catch basin, not back out into the street, because we couldn't clear a catch basin because a car might have been in the way. We have to be alert and be ready at all times. We are on call 24 hours a day, every day of the year. We are also firefighters, so we may be in the middle of a snow event and we may get called to a fire. It's happened before.
They notice a difference when they leave the corporation limit of Amberley Village and drive into other communities. And our employees do an excellent job of not only treating the streets, but also plowing to make sure that the streets are safe for our residents. What we would ask of our residents is to remove parked cars off of the street when a snowstorm occurs. And that enables our maintenance workers to do a much better job of plowing the snow and treating the streets if parked cars are not on the street. And the same thing if it's trash collection day. If residents can keep those cans away from the street, that's one less obstacle that the village employees have to deal with. So whether a snowstorm hits at 3 o'clock in the afternoon or 3 o'clock in the morning, our maintenance department is on the ready to provide that service. So we want to ensure that our residents have a safe means of traveling throughout the village.